So we are preparing for your final essay for the culture unit, and these are the last two assignments that go with this unit. So remember, you have until November 1st to turn in any missing work. The assignment for today is Purple Heart, and Purple Heart you will find in the Week 5 Culture Essay. The reason it's in the essay folder is because it is a model text for the actual assignment. Okay, so today's assignment is Purple Heart, and it is found in the Week 5 Culture Essay folder. The reason it's in the folder essay is because we have two mentor text or model text we're going to look at in preparation for our final perspective writing. So this one is Purple Heart. Once you open the document, it will look like this. So there is a video. Here is the link to the video. If the link doesn't work or you can't get it to play on your Chromebook, you can always just go to Google and search author Patricia McCormick talks about Purple Heart, and it will be the same video. So you're going to watch the video. I have it linked on each question. And you have 3 questions that go with the video. And then I have a passage from the book Purple Heart, and you have 5 questions that go with the passage. So remember, when you are doing short answer questions, you need to use complete sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation. Any red squiggly lines, make sure you take care of those. And this is the first text in preparation for our essay. So this one is due November 1st. This is one of the last assignments for the unit. If you have any questions, let me know.